Hey everyone, Brooke Doherty, Just Us Skincare, putting the justice back in skincare. This is episode 1 of how to build a skincare toolkit. So, we're going to learn how to take care of our skin no matter what. We're going to start with the basics so you don't run around like a chicken without a head buying all sorts of stuff you don't need. First thing that has to go into any sane toolkit is a cleanser. I would start with our Supreme Clean Cream Cleansing Balm because it is full of watermelon extract, agave extract, kukui oil. It takes off even waterproof mascara. It's really great no matter what kind of skin you have. You just take a little bit, put it on your face, add a little water, and ba-boom, you're on the way. However, for those of you that wear no makeup at all, you might want to just use our oil balm, which is just, it's really, really yummy. It's got some blue tansy in it, and it works up into a nice little sort of cream, and it's great. And it's also great if you do wear makeup, but if you do, I would recommend perhaps a double cleanse. So these two things are both really good starters for your kit. And that's it for now. Tomorrow we'll talk about mists. Bye.